Okay na. So up to that previous problem, you can solve the pair of linear equations in the graphical representation method, and algebraic method is to be completed. So now one more topic is to be equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variable. Reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variable. The meaning of thing in the situation, the given questions are not to be in the general form of pair of linear equations. So first of all, we can change it as a pair of linear equations in two variables. Then after we can solve the given equations. That is a condition here. Okay, first we can observe the given two equations. If those are to be in the pair of linear equation general form, then automatically to solve it we can use any method in the graphical representation method and the algebraic method. If those are not to be in the form of pair of linear equations, then first we make it as a pair of linear equations. Then we can follow some conditions to change as a pair of linear equations. Okay, now we solve some problems based on the conditions. Okay, question: solve 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13, comma 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. So these are to be two equations which are to be given in the question, but those are not to be pair of linear equations. Generally, what is a linear equation general form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, linear equation is to be a linear polynomial. First of all, polynomial means the variable exponent is not to be a negative integer, it should be a positive integer. So but here the exponent of the variable is to be x. 2 by x means it is to be, okay, 2 into x to the power of minus 1. If it is 1 to be transposed to the numerator, then x to the power of minus 1. What is the exponent of the variable here? Minus 1. So then automatically these exponents are not in the positive integer. To be changed as a positive integer, what are the steps we can follow? Okay, so first these equations are to be changed as a pair of linear equations general form. Okay, so then what we write here, given 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13, first equation. 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. It is the second equation. Okay, it's the second equation. Okay, then these equations are not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It's not in the form of linear equations. Okay, so to change as linear equations, okay, to change as a linear equations, 1 by x is assumed that as a, 1 by y assume that as a b. So why you can take in 1 by x and 1 by y here means, here what are the equations are to be given? 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. So it should be written as 2 into 1 by x. Is there any changing in that one by changing this as like this? No. Why? Because whenever we are multiplying these two results, numerator multiplication, denominator multiplication, 2 into 1 2, 1 into x x, then we are getting the result is to be same. In the similarly 3 into 1 by y is equal to 13. Now the variable is to be 1 by x. Here the variable is to be 1 by y in the place of variable. Okay, so general form of the linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here in the place of x we have the 1 by x, the place of y we have the 1 by y. Okay, to be changed as a 1 by x as a one more variable a, 1 by y as a one more variable b. Not only a and b, so you can assume any variables instead of x and y. Clear? Just we thought that those are to be a and b only. Okay, instead of that a and b you can assume c and d, p and q, u and v, w, z, whatever it is. Okay, just 1 by x is equal to a. Here we have that variable is to be in the place of denominator, so you can assume that 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So if 1 by x is to be a, then automatically the first equation is to be changed as that 2 into 1 by x means 2a. Clear? Plus 3 into 1 by y means 3b, that is equal to 13. Coming to that, 5 by x means 5 into 1 by x. In the place of x, 1 by x we can write as that a. 5a minus 4 into 1 by y means 4b, that is equal to minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Now the equations are to be 2a plus 3b is equal to 13, to be changed as a third equation. The first equation is to be this. From that first equation we can prepare the one more equation which is in the form of the linear equation, variables a and b here. So it is a third equation. It's a new equation for us. Okay, now the second equation is to be changed as a linear equation in the form of which has the variables are to be a and b. So 5a minus 4b is equal to minus 2. It is a fourth equation. Okay. Now these are to be 3 and 4 equations which are in the form of the pair of linear equations in two variables, which has the variables are to be a and b. Okay. So to find the a and b values, we can use any method in that algebraic and graphical representation. Generally, elimination method is to be very easy for us. So we are going to solve those equations by the elimination method. So a coefficients are to be 2 and 5 to be changed as a equivalence. This is multiplied with 2, this is multiplied with 5. So third equation totally multiplied with the 5. Fourth equation totally multiplied with 2. So 3 into 5 means 5 2s are 10a plus 5 3s are 15b is equal to 5 13s are 65. Coming to the fourth equation, multiply with 2. 2 5s are 10a minus 4 2s are 8b, that is equal to 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So both are to be same, to be changed as a negative sign by subtracting. Okay, so minus to be changed as a plus, minus to be changed as a plus, cancel. Plus 15b plus 8b is 23b, that is equal to 65 plus 4 is 69. Okay, already we done so many problems by this procedure, so I am going very fast. Okay, so then b is equal to 69 by 23, 23 1 ja, 23 3 ja, b is equal to 3, b is equal to 3. Okay, b is equal to 3, substitute in the third equation. What is the third equation here? 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. The third equation or fourth equation? Don't to be substitute in the first and second equations. Why? Because okay, in the first and second equation we don't have the variables b and a. Clear? Those are the variables are to be x and y. Where the b variable is to be there in that equations, we can substitute there only. Okay, the third equation, 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. 2a plus 3 into b plus 3, that is equal to 13. 3 3s are 9. 2a plus 9 is equal to 13. 2a is equal to 13 minus 9. 2a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 by 2. A is equal to 2. Okay, we got it. The answers are to be a and b. But in the question, we don't have the variables a and b. Just we have the variables are to be x and y. Okay, x, y variables are to be changed as a and b variables. What is the relation between the a and x? What is the relation between the b and y? Already we note it. So a is equal to 2 to be changed as x's, then automatically we assume that is 1 by x is equal to a in the problem. 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b. Now we can substitute the value of a here and value of b is here. Okay, if a is equal to 2, then 1 by x is equal to a. That implies 1 by x is equal to a value 2. Then by transposing it as that, x is equal to 1 by 2. You understand how it is to be transposed? Like this. 2 to be transposed to this side, change as a denominator. X is to be transposed to that side, change as a numerator. Then x is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Then coming to the same procedure. B is equal to 3. 1 by y is equal to b. 1 by y is equal to 3. Then y to be transposed to that side. Y is equal to 1 by 3. What's the x value? 1 by 2. Y value? 1 by 3. X is equal to 1 by 2. Y is equal to 1 by 3. These are to be required values in our question. X is equal to 1 by 2. Y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. By substituting these values in the given equations, those are to be satisfied, then automatically the answers are to be right. If those are not satisfied, the answers are to be wrong. Just we substitute 2 by x plus 3 by y. What is the x value in the same situation? 1 by 2. So x value 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Meaning of them 2 by 1 by 2. 2 by 1 by 2 means 2 into 2 by 1. 2 into 2 by 1. Clear? What is that? 2 by x means 2 by 1 by 2 plus 3 by 1 by 3, that is equal to 13. So 2 by 1 by 2 means 2 into 2 by 1. Already we know that 1 by 2 to be changed as that 2 by 1 plus 3 into to be changed as that 3 by 1, that is equal to 13. 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 9, what's the answer for that? 13. Yes, it is satisfied. Okay, it is satisfied. So the answer is to be right. Okay. Now the next question, the same procedure. Solve 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Two equations. Those are not to be in the form of the linear equations. To be changed as a linear equations by assuming that 1 by x value a, 1 by y value b here. Same. Given 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. So first 1 by 2 into 1 by x, we change it as that 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 2. It is the first equation. Then coming to that 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Change as that 1 by 3 into 1 by x. By multiplying these, we are getting the result is to be 1 by 3x only. Plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y. By multiplying this, 1 1 ja 1, 2 into y, 2y, 1 by 2y. Yes, it is to be C. That is equal to 13 by 6. It is the second equation. Here we assume that 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b. If change as that, what we are getting the result? 1 by 2 into a plus 1 by 3 into b, that is equal to 2. The same 1 by 3 into a plus 1 by 2 into b, that is equal to 13 by 6. Why you can change as that? The given equations are not to be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. To be changed as a linear equations, we can assume that 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b. Change as that 1 by 2a plus 1 by 3b is equal to 2. So by LCM of those two fractions are to be 6. Then so 3a plus 2b. Already we know that. How can you find the LCMs for the fractions? Okay. 3a plus 2b is equal to 2. Then 3a plus 2b is equal to 6 is to be transposed to the right side. 6 2s are 12. This is the third equation. We are preparing a new equation based on that first equation. That is the third equation with the variable a and b. Now it is the linear equation form. Then coming to the second equation. 1 by 3a plus 1 by 2b is equal to 13 by 6. LCM is to be 6. Then 2 is to be transposed. Multiply that. 2 1s are 2a. 3 is multiplied with that. 3 1s are 3b. That is equal to 13 by 6. Both the denominators are to be same on both sides. Then automatically you can cancel. Okay. So why? Because this denominator should transpose to that side to be changed as a numerator. Means 13 into 13 by 6 into 6. 6 1 cancel. Instead of that, you can cancel directly here. Okay. Then 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. This is the fourth equation. It is a new equation. So based on that second equation. But so it is to be linear equation general form. Okay. With the variables a and b. Now it is the third equation. It is the fourth equation. We can solve it. So by the elimination method. Okay. Here we are eliminating the a only. So 3 into 2, 4 into 3. So already we know that how we can multiply here. Okay. So 6a plus 4b, 6a plus 9b is equal to 39. Subtracting, change the signs of that. 6a cancel. 4b minus 9b minus yb, that is equal to 24 minus 39 minus 15. Both the negative signs are to be cancelled. B is equal to 15 by 5. B is equal to 3. Then b is equal to 3 put in the third equation or fourth equation, whatever it is. Third equation is equal to 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. 3a plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. 3a 2 3s are 6, that is equal to 12. 3a is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 by 3. A is equal to 2. Okay, 3 1s are 3 2s are, so then a is equal to 2. Already we said in the previous problem that a and b values are not to be required values. Those are to be assumption values. Okay, so 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b. Those are to be assumption values in this problem. Okay, we require the values of x and y. So how can you find the x and y values? These assumption values are to be substituted to the real values. What are the real values here? A is equal to 2, then that is equal to 1 by x is equal to a. Substitute 1 by x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, b is equal to 3, then 1 by y is equal to b. That implies 1 by y is equal to 3. By transposing it, y is equal to 1 by 3. Then therefore the required values x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, these values are to be substituted in the places of the given equations. If the equation is to be satisfied, then these are to be right, otherwise those are to be wrong. Just check it if those are right or wrong, just enough. Okay, so this is the way to reducible the pair of equations into the form of the linear equations. Then we can solve it either algebraic method or graphical representation method. Okay.